Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change keyboard on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to change keyboard, so let's see how can you do that. So you have to simply open your keyboard anywhere, it might be in your messages app. So open the keyboard here, just get access to your keyboard, and here once you find your keyboard you'll get this option in this corner, or sometime you might get here an emoji, so you must have to tap on that option. So you will get that your keyboard will be changed by tapping on this option. If you're looking for any specific language keyboard, so you must have to open your settings and add keyboard first to your keyboard. So go for general and here go for keyboards. Select keyboards option here, and you must have to tap on add new keyboard, and you have to select any keyboard from here which you want to add. Or if you are looking for any specific keyboard, it might not be any language. So, for example, if you're looking for any font type keyboard, so you must have to go back, open your app store, and try to install any third-party app for that. I have already installed this one, so you can easily add that keyboard to this new keyboard option. Select that keyboard, and select the keyboard which you want to add. There I have added a new keyboard. So now whenever you go back and access your keyboard, you just have to tap on this option here, and you'll get a lot of keyboards you have added to your iPhone. So you just have to select anyone from here. So in this way you can easily add or change keyboards on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.